Hi everybody. I want to talk to you in this video real briefly as sort of an overview of the different levels of rehabbing available. Now, sometimes you'll get these emails for deals and it's like these wild rehab estimates. The question is, well, how much work is into that? And really, the numbers can be misleading, and we'll talk more about that in subsequent videos. So what I'm going to do here is just tell you about what I call the 4 levels of rehab. And so step 1, or level 1, is the simplest, and that's your cosmetic rehab. That's when you're going to come in, you're going to do paint, you're going to do carpet, you might change a few light fixtures. I mean, literally easy peasy type stuff that almost, and very common with do-it-yourself type projects. Level 2 is what I call cosmetic plus. And what does that mean? It's everything in the first level, your carpet, your paint, but you have to do a few extra things. Maybe you need to refresh the air conditioner. Maybe you need to change a roof. Maybe you got to update a few electrical or plumbing things. So you're dealing with the same cosmetic items, but you have a few more larger items, but they're still not difficult to deal with. It's not difficult to change AC. It's not difficult to change a roof, or maybe you got to change gutters. Maybe you build a little retaining wall. So again, I call it cosmetic plus. Others may call it something else, but there you go. Third level, now we're into some bigger stuff. And you might be looking to do an addition. And so you've got a good bones house, it's solid, it's strong, but it's just not big enough. And so now you've got to add space to make the house worth what you want that investment property to be worth. And so that's going to be a little bit bigger because you're essentially tacking on a new construction component to an existing project. Sometimes this can be very simple if you're going out the back, or if you pop the top where you take the roof off and add another level. Now that's much more complicated. By the way, in general, pop the top costs more than extending the house back, generally speaking. So that's something to be aware of. The 4th level of rehab is the one that costs the most and causes the most time, and that's the full gut renovation. This is when you take a property and you get rid of everything, and I mean everything except the basic roof structure and the walls, the studs. Maybe you keep the siding, maybe you don't. But essentially you're taking the house back to its true bare bones, fix up, strengthen, whatever to make it better, and then you put it back together again. It's kind of like throwing Humpty Dumpty off the wall and he breaks but not completely, and then you put him back together again. That's what a full gut is. It's a lot of work, a lot more expensive, it's a lot of time. So in the next few videos, I will talk to you in more detail about each of these and what we're really looking at cost-wise. Thanks.